How to turn off iCloud syncing on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, tap on your account at the top. This is your Apple account settings page. On this page, scroll down and go to iCloud. Here, you can view your iCloud storage and all the apps that are currently synced to iCloud. Tap on See All besides Save to iCloud. On this page, you can manage how apps and features on this iPhone sync to iCloud. And then, scroll down and turn off the Reminders app switch. Tap on Delete from My iPhone to confirm. You can now repeat this to turn off syncing for your other apps as well. Following these steps, you can easily turn off iCloud syncing on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.